Hi, my name is Megan Dos Santos, and I'm the Vice Principal of Academic Affairs at Bishop Connolly in Fall River, Massachusetts. Bishop Connolly is a small Catholic urban school that serves a wide variety of students from different backgrounds. As everyone else was affected by the pandemic in 2021, we transitioned to remote learning in the spring, and then eventually in the fall went back to a hybrid model. As everyone experienced some type of learning loss during that time, we really felt that in a significant way within our math program, with students not being in the classroom, working with their teachers directly, have one-on-one time with them and tutoring. Really had some concerns about our math scores during that time. We especially had this concern with our incoming freshman class. Because of those concerns, we began working with ADAC and the think tank in implementing the Fill the Gaps program. The Gaps was very well received, not only by the faculty, but the students as well. For our faculty, GAPS provides a very detailed overview of how students are performing on a weekly basis. So that allows teachers to make decisions more frequently about how to tailor a curriculum and instruction to the students in front of them. Our students really enjoy the program as well. They enjoy taking the quizzes and then seeing the videos and very specifically going over things that some of those foundational skills that they feel they missed. And so over time, the students even started to become very invested in seeing how they could improve their own scores. So for us, it was a really, really great experience since those 3 months we began using it. We recently had our second round of MAP testing for the winter of 2023. And we saw pretty significant growth in our math scores. Overall, when looking at our data, we saw in just a short 3 months, 12% growth in achievement. Our freshman class has about 1/3 of those students is on an IEP or needs some type of additional student support from student support services. 70% of those students met or exceeded their RIT score on the MAP test. And then with our sophomores, 80% of them exceeded or met the goal of their RIT scores, their projected growth. And so we were just thrilled with that results in such a short amount of time. And while there was many different ways in which we achieved that, we know the main difference this time, seeing this growth, was working with Think Tank and ADAC in implementing Fill the Gaps.